Spectrum Technology Solutions, providing the Valley of the Sun with worry-free IT services. For companies like El Sol Construction, here's President Chad Trott.
The servers to me were just a big albatross. It was a giant money drain. The things were constantly needing to be upgraded. So when he recommended the cloud computing, I was all about it. It was a godsend for us. There is no way I will ever own another server. The cost savings has been tremendous,
Spectrum Technology Solutions, providing the Valley of the Sun with worry-free IT services. For companies like American Western Distribution, here's manager Nicole Palestri.
We recently had some issues with one of our computers where it was losing information, and so we thought it would be in our best interest to start having things monitored and backed up. In the evenings, the computers are monitored and checked for viruses, and that is backed up every night. It just happened too many times, so we decided to go through with his management service so that he can monitor and make sure it doesn't happen and be proactive so that it doesn't ever happen again.
Spectrum Technology Solutions, providing the Valley of the Sun with worry-free IT services.